Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel tablet device, and I'm gonna show you how to change the search engine on this device. If you have both the Google device, I think that you are the Google lover, but if you don't like the Google search, you can change it. Of course, you need to remove the Google search widget from your device. Oh, it's not possible. Okay. So you can do this thing. So open the Google search, and as you can see, open Google Chrome, and as you can see here we have the Google search. And if you wanna change it, just click on this button, then scroll down and open settings, and here you will see the search engine. And here we have several search engines to choose, and just choose the search engine you want to use. And now let's try to find something. As you can see, I found it in the DuckDuckGo. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.